Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. From the main menu, click on Lists. In the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts window will appear. To add a new account, click the Account button at the bottom left corner. Select New from the options provided. You will see a window labeled Add New Account. Choose the account type you want to create, such as income, expense, or bank. Click Continue to move to the next step. Enter the account name in the designated field. If applicable, provide a description for the account. Fill in the necessary information based on the account type, such as the account number or balance. If this account is a sub-account, check the box for Sub-account of and select the parent account. Once all the information is entered, click Save and Close to finalize the creation of the account. To edit an existing account, locate the account in the Chart of Accounts window. Right-click on the account you wish to edit. Select Edit Account from the context menu. Make your changes in the Edit Account window. After making the necessary changes, click Save and Close. To delete an account, right-click on the account you want to remove. Select Delete Account from the drop-down. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Always ensure that the accounts you are updating are not in use. Review your changes periodically to maintain accurate financial records. Once you have completed your updates, close the Chart of Accounts window. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.